perspective is we'll have a line. This is your horizon line. That's if you're looking out, let's say, onto the ocean, and where the sky meets the water, that's the horizon. So sky up here, water down here. We would put a single point here, and all of our straight lines would be based off of that one point. So in one point perspective, and we'll just put this, this is a vanishing point where everything vanishes. So I'm going to write a small, tiny VP there for vanishing point. In one point perspective, there are a couple of rules, basic rules. All lines go up and down or side to side or diagonal always to the vanishing point. Okay, so they're either going to go side to side, up and down, or to this vanishing point. So let's draw a quick square here, and we'll make this the back wall of a room. Notice I'm not using a ruler or anything of that sort yet. And I can come out here. Here's a vanishing point line coming out straight up like that. We're going to go straight through that corner like so. So it comes straight up like this. And we can do another one straight down like this, right through this corner. Go another way up here. Again, this is just a rough, this is what one point is. It's just going through everything's one point, that one point. And then we'll go straight up and down. There's a line. Remember, vertical. So we'll go to here. And then horizontal. So we close the front like that. Okay, if I use a ruler, it'd be easier, or more exact anyway. But again, this is just rough. So here is the inside of our box in one point perspective with all of our lines going back to this vanishing point. So if I come up like so and I make these a little bit darker, make it appear that these are closer to us, by the line weight, gives us more definition. And if I hold my pencil on the side slightly and I go from front back, okay, give these lines a little bit more thickness, like so. It makes it seem like it's coming towards us even more. So if this were a quick room, I could do a vertical line here, remember? Vertical or horizontal. Okay, but diagonal lines always go back to the vanishing point. So I would take a line from this vanishing point out to the top of the door, just a line to give me the top of a door, like that, and this has to go up to that line up there. Okay, horizontal line for the door relief, vertical line going down, horizontal line for the bottom relief, and then another line going from the vanishing point out to show us the top of the door. So there's the door into the other room. Let's do a quick little table example. And I'm going to get more exact in a little while using straight edges. But here's our horizontal line, line to the vanishing point, horizontal line, vertical line for some legs. And there is our table. Okay. Let's do a chest of drawers over here, or some sort of break front. And horizontal lines, vertical lines, and then lines back to the vanishing point, just like so. And then another vertical line and a horizontal line to close it. Okay. Now let's add some drawers. Now the drawers, the lines are always going to go back to the vanishing point. So let's see, there's 1, 2, 3 drawers, and the handles. Okay, so there's our quick drawer. So this is one point perspective.